How to use quick add macro when you're in a rush inside of MyFitnessPal. So what this basically does is, instead of you having to track food, you can just track your macros and your calories. In order to head over to the quick add section, you can just head over to the plus icon on the bottom and then tap on the log food option. Now once you're inside of this section, you'll be able to see the option which says quick add. You can simply tap on this option. Now before you're able to do this, you'll need to be a premium user of MyFitnessPal. If you're not a premium user, this option would not show up. So if you are a premium user and once you're inside of this section, just tap on the quick add option. So once you tap on quick add, as I said previously, instead of tracking food, you can add in the total calories you consumed, the total amount of carbohydrates, the fat, as well as protein intake, and then just tap on the tick mark on the top right. This way, instead of you having to add in specific foods that you ate, you can just add in your macros and it will get tracked inside of your daily nutrients. So I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.